This handheld right here is the Anbernic RG40XX H, and with Knulii installed and a 250 gigs SD card, I've turned it into a retro powerhouse. Out of the box, it's solid, but with a few upgrades, it becomes so much more. So let's check it out. In the box, you get the console itself, a 64 gigs micro SD card with a stock OS, a protective case, and even a mini HDMI to HDMI cable so you can connect it to your TV or monitor. And funny enough, I bought this off TikTok, so this is not a sponsor video, just my pure opinion of it. I think it's a cool little handheld, very beginner friendly. It was a super fast delivery that surprised me. I bought this on a Friday and by Sunday afternoon was at my door. So yeah, nice one. The RG40XX H is powered by a quad-core chip, has 1 gig of RAM, a built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and a 4-inch display, and of course, cool customizable RGB lights. The stock OS is simple and works fine for retro gaming, but it's limited. That's where custom firmware like Knulii makes a big difference. The RG40XX comes with a 64 gigs card loaded with a stock OS, which is fine, but I wanted more space and a smoother experience, so I swapped it out for a 250 gigs micro SD and installed Knulii. That's where this handheld really comes to life. Installing Knulii, it's straightforward. First head to the Knulii GitHub page and grab the latest image for the RG40XX. It's usually a .image file and you'll need a tool like Balena Etcher to flash it to the SD card. Select the Knulii image, choose your new SD card and let Etcher do its thing. It only takes a few minutes to write the image. Once it's flashed, pop the card into your handheld and power it on. You'll see Knulii boot up right away, and from here the setup is simple. Compared to the stock OS, Knulii has more emulators, better performance tweaks, and even theme customization. You can change the look, add overlays, and fine-tune your gameplay settings. To finish the setup, just copy over your BIOS and games to the right folders. I can't share those for legal reasons, but once you got them, it's simply as drag and drop. Now the difference is night and day. Emulators launch quicker, the menus feel more responsive, and you get way more compatibility across different systems. And hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a like and hit subscribe. I got more handheld and retro builds coming up. So with Knulii installed in a bigger SD card, the RG40XX H transforms from a budget handheld into a serious capable retro console. Next, let's check out how it performs. Thanks to the included mini HDMI cable, you can hook the RG40XX up to any TV or monitor, add a controller, and you got yourself a living room retro console in seconds. Performance is impressive for budget handheld, and 64 titles like Tarzan run smoothly.
Bananas are sure good eating. If you're losing health, find some bananas for energy. Ah, that's better.
GBA titles like Mario Kart Super Circuit plays without issues. And Knulii even lets you enjoy newer ports like Mire for the size and price. That's quite impressive. So here's the deal. Out of the box, the RG40XX H is already good, but with Knulii and a bigger SD card, you got a handheld, a plug-and-play TV console, and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for extra. Definitely one of the most fun handhelds I ever tried recently. Let me know down in the comments if you'd like me to test something else on this next, and make sure to subscribe for more retro handhelds and DIY builds. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.